Well, we have a bank of clouds showing up on the Valley Skycam, mainly to the south and east of the FM area. Most of us are enjoying quiet conditions, but our neighbors to the southeast seeing a little bit more in the way of cloudiness and a few sprinkles. Right now at Hector International Airport, we've cooled off from our high of 51 down to 49 degrees, 48 in Moorhead. There is a south breeze outside right now at about 15 miles per hour. It has been a little bit gusty, but those south winds warming us up. Grand Forks, 48 degrees, south wind 10 miles per hour. The air over us pretty dry with dew points in the 30s. And we see a lot of blue skies over the Northern Valley this hour. Devil's Lake, 52. 54 degrees in Jamestown now, dropping 3 degrees from our high in the upper 50s. And we have a lot of upper 40s this hour in Lakes Country. And again, that cloudiness still lingering out there. 48s for Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, 46 Wadena and Bemidji. This hour also at 46 degrees. Here's a look at the radar. We're zoomed into the southern Red River Valley and Lake Traverse here. We have some showers south of Wheaton. These are all moving off to the east rather quickly. And not all of this is likely reaching the ground. Where you see these light green shades here, that's just some very light precipitation picked up in the clouds. Doesn't always make it to the ground. But where we see the darker greens, you could be seeing a sprinkle out there. Have your umbrella handy in Lakes Country. This includes Otter Tail County, especially the southern and eastern fringes of it. As the clouds are trying to clear from west to east through the region, we're enjoying those clear skies, Grand Forks, Fargo, and points west, but we're still seeing a little bit of cloudiness off to the east. As we look at the big picture, though, we have a very active jet stream right now, which has a flat pattern. That means it doesn't have a lot of big dips and wiggles in it at this hour, and that makes for faster moving weather systems. They make their way from the west coast right over the northern plains fairly quickly and in a procession. Let's talk about how that impacts your weekend right now. This evening, the clouds continue to clear and rain chances, they boogie out of here right quickly. Temperatures will be generally in the upper 40s for most of us through the early evening, and by late evening, everybody clear, but the wind will still be 10 to 20 miles per hour. That'll keep us from cooling off so fast overnight. Look what comes. It was in Montana, and by morning, we'll have a few showers of rain making their way along the international border. Temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s across the valley. As we get our weekend started, watch where the rain chances move. By midday, we will have a chance at these showers in Lakes Country through Fergus Falls. Yes, Fargo could see a sprinkle. The best chance, again, is going to be north of Highway 2 throughout the afternoon hours. And by the late afternoon, our wind from the west clears this out of here. It's gone for most areas by trick-or-treating time. Best chance of some continued sprinkles of rain will be northwest Minnesota. The rest of the region pretty high and dry, but it will be gusting to around 30 miles per hour, so smiling trick-or-treaters could get leaves in their teeth. That'll be about the worst of our worries out there as we see temperatures that will be falling through the 50s in the southern counties and 40s up north. And again, the rain showers clear out of here pretty quickly and become much lighter. If anything at all falls in northwest Minnesota. 38 to start your Saturday. Get that jacket out. It'll be cool to start, but the south wind picks up and warms us up really quickly to 51 by midday. That was our high today. If we get a shower, it'll be around the midday hour here in the FM area, and then quiet for trick-or-treating time, falling from a high very close to 60. And many of our southern counties where you see the yellow colors here, that's 60-degree weather. A lot of upper 40s in the late afternoon hours in our northern counties, including northwest Minnesota, where there'll be a few more clouds, but not many more ghosts and goblins. Temperatures in the FM area through trick-or-treating time, that's 6 to 9 p.m., will be falling through the 50s. Look at this gorgeous Shanley High School. Sid Sitchie field shot out there, just delightful at sunrise. Thank you for sharing. Here's a look at the planning forecast for the weekend. Okay, big Bison game, big Spuds game. Turn your clocks back after trick-or-treating 1 hour so you can get an extra hour of beauty sleep, Mike Morgan. 62 degrees on Sunday.
I need it.
We'll be in the 60s early next week. Late week, look at that. There's a deer on there. The deer gun opener in North Dakota next Friday. I think many of our western North Dakota counties could have flakes of snow on the ground.
Which is okay.
Yeah, they don't mind.
No. The Bison offensive line is back on track. Later in sports, Alex Egan explains why they went back to the basics to get another win.
And as the winter season nears, you'll want to keep in mind some parking restrictions. Stay tuned.